All right, here we are at the Catwalk Recreation Area. The weather says that it's supposed to be a high of 95 today. Hopefully it's not going to be too hot, but who cares? We're doing this thing.
Yep.
So anyhow, here we go.
Here we go.
All right, we've been hiking for 90 seconds and Arlie's already taken a dip in the water. That's going to be the strategy. We got to get in a lot. I'll tell you what, boo-hoo 95 degrees. A little storm's coming in. It's shady, it's breezy. We got wet clothes on. Oh, this is nice. So, day one was simply amazing. We were expecting brutal heat and got perfect weather, nice drizzle, breeze, and we're camped now at the power station at the 3-mile mark. And tomorrow we are going to hike up South Fork, Whitewater Creek to Tennessee Meadows and set up camp there. So as the story goes, 12, 13, 14 years ago, I was sitting with a bunch of buddies on a flat rock way down there. And one of the guys goes, "Hey, look at that star up there." And we go, "Dude, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What are you talking about?" And he points to this cliff. And there is the star that my friend saw. So that one looks kind of like a turtle.
Yeah.
And I can't tell what that is anymore.
It looks like a vase.
Yeah, like a vase.
With the painting, with the pattern on it.
And
this one, that looks like the bottom of the bottom legs. If you look up ahead, it looks like a head.
There.
No, there. Can you see that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Like maybe some kind of an animal.
Or even like a kachina.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right, and if you look down, that thing at the bottom is the feet.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Like
there.
Those are arms,
Uh-huh.
skirts, or outfit, and then where your hand is the legs.
Yeah. And I think that's a snake. I think I've got that one down.
That could be.
What's the matter? Is it cold? Is it cold?
It's cold.
Colder than the Middle Fork and the West Fork?
Oh, man. Colder.
I did not want to hear that. So show our viewers what's for breakfast.
Scrambled eggs with bacon.
Okay.
I love this breakfast.
So I'm just sitting here this morning enjoying a cup of joe, and it's amazing. Even though it's instant, it's still somehow better than back at home. So we are going to first find the power station, ruins, then head on up South Fork Trail to Tennessee Meadows.
Beautiful Tennessee Meadows.
Not quite as beautiful as the name implies,
okay,
but you know, we'll see. You know, you never know. It's not a great view, and I don't think we're going to walk up there on the foundation, but you can see Ah, look at here. Some raspberries. A little sour, not bad. All right, we are almost there. We're at approximately 7,300 feet. And look what I see. First time I've seen this on this trail. We have some baby aspen. Any comments on the day, Harley?
Ooh, man, that was a tough hike. 5 miles straight uphill.
What did we say? 1,600?
Yep, 1,600.
1,600 feet elevation gain, and a lot of really technical trail, a lot of boulder hopping, bushwhacking, sliding down eroded trails. That said, it was gorgeous, spectacular. You couldn't even count how many waterfalls and deep pools we saw. And by the way, as far as I know, this is Tennessee Meadows. No sign anymore. Nothing feels right to me, but I haven't been back here for a long time. And I couldn't find the East Fork. I don't know where they hit it, but I couldn't find it. Little fire's good. Big fire's bad. A little bit spectacular, I think. So this is just one example of how narrow this canyon gets. There's one side of the canyon, and here's the other side. Definitely boxing. So here we are at our lunch spot. Harley, what's for lunch?
Let's see, we got hickory smoked tuna, plantain chips, and pineapple rings.
What's for dinner, Harley?
Chicken fajita bowl.
Ooh, did you get that at Walmart?
I could have.
All right, good morning, day 4, and my hat's crooked. Day four, and we're gonna hike out of here. We did talk to trail crew, said there's a fire up here at Deloche Canyon at the top, and they said, as long as you're gonna get out by the morning, you'll be fine. So we finished our hike, we're back to the car. We're gonna just get in and kind of take a little bit of a soak bath to get the sweat off for the ride back home. It was an amazing trip, can I say.